case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a stirring custody battle, Greg Bell challenged the court's decision to award sole custody of their son to his ex-wife, Debra Bell. The case, heard by the Alaska Supreme Court in 1990, centered around the ideation of shared responsibilities in child-rearing despite divorce, questioning the legal presumption in favor of joint custody. Married for roughly 16 months, Greg and Debra separated, inciting a legal scramble for custody over their young son, Scott. The trial court initially placed Scott solely in Debra's care, sparking an instant appeal from Greg. Stating that joint custody was a viable and legal option that was unfairly dismissed, Greg's appeal was bolstered by also contesting the trial court's ambiguous ruling on property division and calculation of his net income for child support. The higher court sought to reinstate joint custody, given the ability of Greg and Debra to cooperate effectively. As it unraveled, the decision made by the trial court reflected an erroneous presumption against joint custody. The Supreme Court's decision overturned the initial ruling, vacating the physical custody visitation arrangement. The trial court was further advised to arrive at a more precise depiction of Greg's earnings to effectively compute the due child support. Added to this, the court also upheld Greg's concern over the division of assets. Rejecting the trial court's decision to allow Debra near-complete access to commingled assets without a valid explanation, the Supreme Court prompted the lower court to follow a more nuanced approach outlined in Wanberg for property division. The higher court overturned the trial court's decision, sending shockwaves to the prevailing idea of sole custody. The case ultimately emphasized parental cooperation, not physical unity, as the crux of child-rearing. It was reversed and remanded for re-evaluation, marking a significant stride in promoting joint custody and equitable division of assets amidst divorce.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.